皆さんこんにちは、Abby です。
Hello everyone, it's Abby, and in today's video, I'll be showing you 5 super kawaii winter outfits. This video is in collaboration with the YouTuber Princess Jess. She's a cosplayer and does kawaii vlogs and fashion lookbooks on her channel. Her style is so cute, so I'm really happy to be working with her. This will be 10 kawaii outfits for the winter time. I'll show you 5 kawaii looks, and she'll show you the other 5 looks. I'll leave a link to her YouTube video in the description box below, as well as her Instagram. Alright, without further ado,
始めましょう。
for this first look, I decided to wear this new coat I thrifted in Japan. It's super cozy and warm. Perfect for the winter time. For all these looks, I didn't wear any leggings since I don't have any that match the outfits, but definitely feel free to layer as much as you need depending on how cold it gets where you're from. This is a full look without the coat. This is another thrifted item I got in Japan at the shop Closet Child. It reminds me a lot of a YESSTYLE style blouse. It's a light purple blouse with almost the appearance of a sailor top. It's got lace for that feminine touch. And toward the front, you can tie it into a bow. The skirt is from YESSTYLE. I've shown it to you all in a video before, so I'll link it up here so you guys can all check it out. This video is not in collaboration with YESSTYLE, but a lot of the items you see in this video are from YESSTYLE. So I'll link those items in the description box below in case any of you are interested in purchasing them. Make sure to use my discount code capital CUTE123 or CUTE123 when you check out. This is my favorite dolly skirt. It's super comfortable to wear, and the ruffles add the doll fashion vibes I like to go for. I decided to wear this white YESSTYLE bag for a more neutral look, and I made sure to add a little plush keychain for an extra cute element. Adding a keychain can really finish off a kawaii look. As for my shoes, I'm wearing these adorable flats. They have a large bow that makes them extra cute. You can never forget lace socks. These are a must-have item for a kawaii outfit. Both the socks and shoes are from YESSTYLE, and they're one of my favorites. For this next outfit, I wore another coat I thrifted in Japan. This one is a bit more pink than the other one, and it worked perfect for this look. I like to consider this look the teddy bear look because of the creams and light browns, as well as the Duffy keychain I added to my bag. This is a look without the coat. This is one of my favorite tops. I purchased it at the shop Bodyline when I shopped in Harajuku. It reminds me a lot of a shirt a doll would wear. It's got a Peter Pan collar, and the buttons are shaped like a heart. The short sleeves have lace, which makes it extra kawaii. The skirt is from YESSTYLE, and it has this really nice cream color. It's got lace as well, which matches perfectly with the shirt. As for my bag, I wore my favorite white YESSTYLE bag and added this adorable Duffy keychain. I felt the keychain really finished off the look and added that pop of color it needed. These are from YESSTYLE, and they've been my favorite for this fall and soon to be winter season. I love the big bow on the sides. Definitely one of my favorite items and one I'll be using a lot during the colder weather. This next look is what I like to call the pink look. I focused on white and pastel pink as my dominant colors. The coat is my favorite part. It's a light pink in color, and the back has this really big bow. It almost looks like a dress. The faux fur on the top makes it extra cozy. I wore a white long sleeve top for an undershirt, and then layered a pink sweater over it. Layering is ideal for the winter time so you can stay extra cozy. I felt the pink rose in the white shirt matched well with the pink sweater. The long sleeve is from YESSTYLE, and this adorable sweater is from Brandy Melville. As for my skirt, I decided on this white ruffle skirt to match the white top. I wore a white YESSTYLE bag to match the color scheme, and attached this new Korilakama keychain I purchased in Japan. It added a nice pop of color. After my shoes, I wore these white heels I got in Harajuku, and paired it with these lace socks from YESSTYLE. This next outfit, I paired it with this coat to make it extra cozy. This is the full look. I wore a long sleeve off-the-shoulder shirt. It's a bit long, so I tucked it under my skirt since I felt it worked best for this outfit. The material is so soft and super warm. I paired it with this super cute brown pleated mini skirt. All the details in this skirt worked really well with the plain and neutral shirt. Since this outfit was more neutral, I decided to use this brown bag I got off of Amazon a long time ago. I felt the brown worked well with the color scheme. I added the same Duffy keychain from the previous outfit. I made it look extra kawaii. Trust me, plush keychains can make any outfit kawaii. As for my shoes, I decided on these thigh-high knit socks from YESSTYLE and paired them with my favorite tall boots. The combination worked well and is perfect for winter. For this final look, I wore a coat just like the other outfits. If you love kawaii fashion, I recommend you invest in a cute coat since you may be wearing it most of the time during the winter. I'll leave a link to Closet Child's online website. It's a thrift shop that sells used clothes from popular shops like Ink Rouge, Les Lisa, etc. for cheap. I'm not sponsored by Closet Child, but I really wanted to recommend the shop to you guys because that's where I was able to find a bunch of kawaii clothing from popular brands that typically tend to be very expensive, but because these are used clothes, they are a lot cheaper, and let me tell you, the quality is still really good. They're in very good condition, and you're getting stuff for more than half the price at times. As for my shirt, it's a thrifted item from Japan and has accents of gold. It's actually also from Closet Child. The buttons look like pearls, which make the top extra cute. The long sleeve makes it ideal for the winter. I paired it with this cream knit skirt. This knit material really screams winter to me, so I felt it worked best for this theme. I wore the same white Les Lisa bag and paired it with my favorite Duffy keychain. I finished off the look with the same thigh-high knit socks and boots combination. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to check out Princess Jess's video where she shows you the other 5 kawaii winter looks. I'll link her video down below, so make sure to check it out. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me at @theofficial_Abby on Instagram. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
見てくれてありがとうございます。バイバイ。